touch that.
I wasn't gonna touch nothing, yo.
So, Cyborg, how much power does the cannon have?
Well, it's got 54 giga. I said do not touch that!
I wasn't.
Yeah, you were.
You got me, Mama. I was gonna touch it. You know how cats be.
Please, Beast Boy, fight your animal urges for once.
All right. I won't touch anything.
As I was saying, it's got a 54 giga. Get your hand away from that button! You will kill us all if you touch that button!
Sorry, won't happen again.
What happened?
I pretty much killed you, yo. But don't worry, I replaced all the blood you lost with my own.
Your blood?
In us?
Gross! Please remove it!
Oh, come on. I saved your lives.
After you almost killed us.
Yeah, sorry about that.
You just couldn't resist your animal urges, Beast Boy. I am so mad at you.
Dude, you just transformed into a dog.
Beast Boy's blood must have given us the power to turn into animals.
I wish to turn into the animal. I am the adorable. Meow, 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 meow.
I'm thirsty. Refreshing.
Brock, this is so cool!
Now remember, Titans, we can be animals, we just can't become them.
Whatever. I just want to turn into a tiny donkey.
Go, Tiny Donkey!
I like your style.
Breakfast ready!
What smells so good?
We are breaking the fast.
Not that smell. That smell. Bro, bring that butt on over here so I can get a better sniff. Oh, yeah. Guys, get in on this.
You've got a good bouquet going on there, Cy. Motor oil and... Ooh, is that a hint of meatball?
It is.
Not bad.
Woo! Doggy, I could sniff butts all day.
Why stop at sniffing butts? Check this out.
Woo-hoo! We got that good air in our face and the sun on our wings.
I could already do the flying before.
Sure, but could you do this? Nice car, bro!
Yeah!
I got you!
Over there! It's the hive.
Let's get 'em!